Good morning students. In this video we are going to solve question number 3 of exercise 11.1. Now the question is, the shape of a garden is rectangular in the middle and semicircular at the ends as shown in the diagram. Find the area and the perimeter of this garden. Students, in this question figure of this garden is given. This garden rectangular at middle and semicircular at both ends, and we have to find out here perimeter and area of this garden. Now students, to solve this question, first of all we have to find out length of this rectangular part and radius of this semicircular part. Therefore, if you observe here, this total distance is 20 and this width of this garden, this 7 meter. This 7 meter, therefore width of this rectangular part is 7 meter. Now students, this 7 meter means diameter of this semicircle is 7 meter. Therefore radius is half of this diameter. Therefore radius of this garden is half of 7 means 3.5 meter. Here 3.5 meter. Now students, this distance 3.5, therefore this distance also 3.5 meter, because this is radius of this semicircular part. Now if we subtract this 3.5 and this 3.5 from this 20 meter, then we will get length of this rectangular part. Therefore we can write here, in rectangular part L is equal to 20 minus 3.5 minus 3.5. Now students, 20 minus 3.5 is equal to, or we can write here 20 minus, if you take this minus sign common, then 3.5 plus 3.5. Therefore 20 minus 3.5 plus 3.5, that is 7. Therefore 20 minus 7 is equal to 13 meter. Therefore students, length of this rectangular part is 13 meter. Now students, here we have to find out first perimeter. Therefore we must know length of this circular part, and this circular part. Students, this is semicircle. Perimeter of whole circle or perimeter of complete circle is equal to 2 pi r. Therefore perimeter of this half circle is equal to pi r. Therefore we can write here length of curve part of semicircle, which is equal to perimeter of this semicircle, and formula for this is equal to pi r. Pi means, we know that what is value of pi, that is 22 upon 7. 22 upon 7 multiplied by r. R means 3.5. Now students, 7 and this 3.5, we can divide this. 7 1 is 7, 7 5 is 35. Therefore here 0.5. Now students, 22 into 0.5 is equal to 11 meter. Therefore students, length of this curve part is 11, and again this curve part also 11 meter. Therefore students, we can write here, therefore perimeter of a garden is equal to this 13 plus this 13 plus this curve part, that is 11 plus this curve part. I repeat, perimeter of this garden is equal to 13 plus 11 plus 13 plus 11. Therefore we can write here 13 plus 11 plus 13 plus 11, which is equal to 13 plus 13 26 and 11 plus 11 22. 26 plus 22 is equal to 48. Therefore students, we can say that here perimeter of this garden is 48 meter. Now students, we are going to find out area of this garden. Now students, this garden is divided into three parts, that is one rectangular part and two semicircular parts. Now students, therefore we can say that here area of a garden is equal to area of a rectangle plus area of two semicircles. Now students, therefore we can write here formula, area of rectangle is equal to L into B plus, now students, if we join these two semicircles, then we will get one complete circle. Therefore we can say that here area of two semicircles is equal to area of one complete circle, and formula for area of circle is equal to pi r square. Therefore here length of this rectangular part is 13 meter and width of this rectangular part is 7 meter. Therefore we can write here 13 into 7 plus pi means 22 upon 7 and r means here r 3.5. Therefore here 3.5 square. Now students, 13 into 7 is equal to 91. This 22 by 7 as it is. Now 3.5 square. 35 into 35 is equal to 1225. Therefore 3.5 into 3.5 is equal to 12.25. 12.25. Now if we divide this 12.25 by 7, then we will get answer 1.75. Therefore here 1.75, here 1. Now multiplication of 22 and 1.75, which is equal to 38.50. Therefore here we can write 91 plus 38.50, and if we add these two, 38.50 plus 91 means 91.00. Then here 0.50, 8 plus 1 9, and 3 plus 9 is equal to 12. Therefore 129.50, 129.50, that is meter square. Therefore students, we can say that here area of this garden is equal to 129.50 meter square. Students, I hope it is clear to you. Thank you and have a nice day.